In this video, I'll show you a simple and quick method to spawn any car right in front of you in GTA 4. Check my video description for this mod. Just scroll down. First download this Z menu. Select the download option. Select the download option and download this Z menu. Once this done, just scroll down and select the download option in a Solica patch and download this Solica patch. Once this both download done, go to downloads, right click on the patch and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, pack up your GTA 4 game folder. Once you did, open the GTA 4 folder and drag and drop all these files except this readme. Just drag and drop these files. Replace the file in the destination. And now open this extra menu options. Just drag and drop this ASI. Once this done, just go back, open this Z menu and select all these files except this readme and select this Z menu assets. Once you selected all these files, drag and drop to a game folder, replace the file in the destination, just close stuff here. Now you need to right click on the GTA 4 on the desktop and select open file location. Find play GTA 4, right click and select show more and select send it to desktop create shortcut. You need to launch through this play GTA 4. Select the OK option and install the required files and select OK. Once you are in game, press the F7 to open this menu and use the 2 and 8 key in the numpad to choose the options. To select the options, use 5 key. To get back to previous page, press the 0 key and to spawn cars, go to spawn, car spawning and model select. Choose the model you like. I'm gonna choose this Turismo car. Once you select the car will spawn instantly. You can choose any car you like. I'm gonna change this car. This one is boat, as you can see. The boat spawns. So be careful what you spawns. I'm gonna spawn the car again. And to close this menu, press the F7 and now you can instantly spawn any cars in any time. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.